everybody, how y'all doing? I am back again here with an unboxing of my Acoustic Olympus USB recording mic CVL 2005. Yes, well, I brought this in microphone because when I do my videos, my recordings, I normally does a lot of moving back and forth. Well, my voice, you can hear my voice going in and out, and I noticed that in my videos, and I don't like that. So I got a more of a steady mic that's going to help me prevent doing that. So, with this microphone here, it has USB connection cable, recording pattern, cardioid directional, sampling rates, 41.1 gigahertz and 16-bit. Frequency response is 40 Hz to 18 kHz. Has an LED power indicator, adjustable angle desk stand, and threaded bottom for mic stand mount. It has a mic mute, mic USB port, mic stand, thread mounting, and an adjustable stand just to adjust it the way I like it towards my voice. So let's go ahead and open it up. Go ahead and get a reveal of it. I'm happy that I have it. So, you know, I love Acoustic products. I've been buying them ever since in the early 2000s. I have not stopped buying them yet, so I'm gonna still keep going. They make great products, and I love Acoustic. So, this here was basically about 4 stars, and there's some good reviews on them. So, y'all could go ahead on and purchase this from Amazon.com. I paid $24.99. If you're looking for a nice, good, conservative mic that's going to help you do your videos, etc., then just the mic for you. If you need something more advanced, something more dynamic, then, you know, go ahead and shop around. You know, the more you, it's not really about the more you spend, it's just about, you know, you got a good mic that's going to go ahead and do what you need to do and handle what you need to do. Okay, here. Again, the instructions. If you need to go ahead and look at the instructions, which I'm going to be doing it later because it's going to go on my editing rig. Yeah, I'm on a two-base. I have a gaming computer and I have an editing rig computer. So I do a little bit both. Sometimes I videotape, I video record my games. I don't stream. I don't see no necessary streaming, but a couple of my friends I should stream, so I might be looking into doing that later on down the line. But here, instructions. You know, always good to have it, always good to read it. So keep this in. I'll keep this in handy. Alrighty, going into the mic. Simple, easy, complex, and heavy. Alrighty, wow, this is nice. Alrighty, here as they say, you got your on and off switch. You got your USB, micro USB to USB connection of the computer. Connect the micro B strip here, and the cord is right here. Connect the cord into the back. And you all set, good to go. Again, it's adjustable. You can adjust it to how you want it to go, whether you want it to go like this, you want it straight up, you want it, so it's pretty adjustable, so I like that. And it's heavy, so it's a good mic. So I'm gonna go ahead on it and connect it up, and go ahead on it and give y'all a good feel of it. Let me go ahead and tighten it up so I got the ball moving around, which I like that there. Now nice, complex. I like this nice, good, boom capable mic. So yeah, I like this This will work great. So also when I have it setting and doing my videos, I could go ahead on and record, and y'all can hear me nice and clear, instead of hear me fade in and out. And I noticed that in my videos, and that could be reason why I don't have that much subscribers, because my audience can't hear me, and I want them to hear me clearly and correctively. So, with enough said here, here it is. Got your USB connection to on the back. You got your on and off switch. You got your adjustment switches, adjustment buttons here, and this is great. So I got this off Amazon.com, $24.99. We'll put the description in the button. I will put it in my description below, and I want y'all to go ahead and purchase one. Y'all take it easy. Y'all take care. Click the like button. Subscribe to my channel. And I love y'all. Peace. All right, everybody. Once again, welcome up. Welcome back. I'm back again with the Acoustic Premium USB condenser microphone. Here is $24.99. It's a great Amazon choice. So, Amazon choice recommend highly rated and real price product. So, like I said, you can go ahead and get this microphone off Amazon.com for $24.99, and it is a great USB recording mic, high quality performance, perfect for home studios. Plug and play. Connect the USB cable directly to your PC, Mac, or other USB ready system. Clear audio. Just like I said, I do a lot of moving back and forth from the mics on my USB on my webcams, and my voice go in and out. So that's one reason why I got it, because it has clear audio, unidirectional cardioid recording pattern for focused, crisp vocals and speech audio. It is micro USB connection, which I showed y'all from the back. I love the adjustable stand, and it has a 1/4 threading for stand. So if I want to hook it up to my camera stand, I could do that and get more directional output. Alrighty. So I'm going into the reviews. Review nice microphone. Like many people, I found myself in lots of Zoom calls lately. My laptop microphone worked, but the sound quality is not that good. Just like I said with my Logitech webcams, the sound quality, like you can hear me clearly, and then in my videos you cannot hear me. So that's the one thing I don't like. That's one main reason why I brought it, so I can hear good clear sound quality. Jeff and Wendy S said a quality bargain. Holy cow. How can you even think about not giving a good review of a microphone of this quality in the $25 range? 25 years ago, when I first started purchasing microphones, something like this have had cost far more, and even in the pre-inflation dollars. That's one reason why I like Cyber Acoustic. They make great quality products, and it is at a great quality price. Instead of some microphones you spending 99, 85, 150, 200. I don't need no microphone. I'm not in the studio. I'm at home doing my videos, and this microphone right here works great for me. A lot of people don't realize that, but the name of a microphone don't really represent anything. If we see a high inflation price of a name, we're just paying for the name. Here's another good review by James Morris. Easy to use, super high quality. Once again, easy to use, super high quality. So you get great quality voice from a nice budget microphone, and you can't go wrong with that. So just like I said, if you're looking for a great, good quality microphone, you don't want to break the budget, then the Olympus CVL 2005 professional USB microphone is a good quality choice for you. I will post the description and my link below. Go ahead on and buy the product. Be happy with it. Cyber Acoustic makes some great products. I've been buying products from them for a long, long time. Back in 2000, when I brought my first set of speakers from them, I've just recently purchased some more speakers because I had the speakers for almost 12 years, and my grandson kept flickering on off the switch, blew the amp out. So, um, other than that, Cyber Acoustic makes some great products, and I love Cyber Acoustic for that, and I want them to continue to make great products. So, thank y'all for watching, and y'all take it easy. Have a good day. Happy holidays, and I'll see y'all next time around.